me da enwumre be between 7:45 echo 8 mo baby na me frɛ Konti.
Okay.
Na ye discuss your production for and then pay.
Where the second producer no.
Aye. So we aware say anka enye saa se we see anka nen.
Anka was so many.
Okay, ha.
Yes, as when was so many.
Nti e ba ne saa no. Me ne Konti discuss production for and then we no. Na was say me gi permission free general manager ho.
Okay.
Nti me frɛ general manager na me ne so kan no so or you okay nti na me prepare budget no na me fambre no na on approve because say weekend nti.
Yeah.
Nti me wie na ehu say we hia technical support.
Okay.
Nti me frɛ Kofi. Me frɛ ne phone no. Ana oba bi peke, oba no to peke ne nye ne yire na because me ne yire ne voice. Ana mbisa ne so metimi ni Kofi akasa. O si ana fe wa edin. Na mbisa say Kofi wa he. O si Kofi wa ne nkyɛn. Na mti mpɛsɛ me ne kasa. O si Kofi ontimi nkasa.
O si Kofi ntimi nkasa.
Kofi ntimi nkasa.
At that moment na wo frɛ no.
Ana mbisa ne say adan. No so mo ho ana Kofi be obora ho no park car no ho. Ne hu moja. Ono yi ni phone ma o mo say ayi ne yire number so o mo frɛ ne yire ma no. Nti sisi ano owo o mo nkyɛn. Na de ehia ne say e wo say etimi arrange na de ne call hospital.
Animanim
Nti me frɛ ne wife. Me frɛ no na o fire apɛ no osu. Na no feel say bia me kra me ba ho na me so bia me wɔ ne mutwe. Nti na me frɛ no sisi ano mbo na mane nti no so ba ho.
At that time na say number 7:38 echo.
Na bo 8.
Okay.
Nti me say me frɛ lady ni biom. Na me bisa say e dey na course. Ono so I say ontimi nkrofo na ti ono mo mpese mo be kasa. I think say hu bo mo. Nti we bisa na on kasa
na chese ho no Kofi no na de car eto am ho. Eko siki refuge.
Exactly.
Ewo ma me no ho.
Nti enweche na the wife timi duru ho no mo organize no de call hospital ewo North Legon area ho no baby.
Okay.
Nti omo hwe no and I think omo ko duru fie be 3 a.m. Nti eno na
Sunday anopa na omtumi kopie fi ade ne see me menda anwumre no Sunday anopa ansa na Kofi etimi ekodu fie.
Nti eno anapa na me call me ne ya brefo. Nti ye call no ho ewo fie me duru fie no na wada nti ye tete ho no mo ne bon komo na ne su tete nti na police for no so aba on person mo take any statement.
Okay.
Nti na o say ye call fan no na ye de ne eba down na police for no ti me tro ne no masem. You could tell say yenu no wabre pa.
I see.
Sabre no na ontimi ntutu ne nan be miensa krampo a
yenso no mu.
Uji wani fi no ho obeti ahwe. And the first thing I hu ne ha na funu ha say ne ni ase
ni ni ase
aha say hunu pa asoa
pa na say bro
omo de ade bo no nye say bro keke omo de ade bo ne ha nti ono start say all man statement no say oko ni fie ba dada na ewo kuntun say no omo friend say bills be ECG ne water bills be aba nti no ko ho kutua bills no ofri ho na oba no ana ohun say guys be two eti motorbike so twem and then ba kutene ne nsa wo no so nti quickly no sabre no no ni nua ketwa ene e phone so
no
ka che ni nua ne say me hu bibi sesi but me tirimu ntine me ana nua ne ka say ene ompe baabi anipa ho na onjina ho ono so baabi onam so de onye hu baabi sa but I say ICGC sorry bi na wo ho na o say omo ye program bi ana nua ne say ne onwura ho na oni omo nkosom say o feel say omo nkrofo no eni around bi ma na okọ nti osi o yes briefly ogina ho briefly and osan starting the journey ni biom and osan nya sa signal no nti oduru China woman Amasama no and ogina ho be 30 minutes and osan simu chafe oba no oduru kwabenya no hu say so Kofi na so cast of atomic roundabout ho no akwa traffic ni ade ntu no oya na adwin say there's a connecting road kwabenya to Agbogba but enye third ewo Ashoma estate oba bi ni do mo aye no foforo but I think udru Boshe area ho na ube maneuver kakra. There's a short route connected to Agboba on. Into on saa kwan no so a say we hwe na ka be 200 meters. No wa hit third road no.
Agboba
no. And then there is a Y junction. And by the time on Y junction on far right. Into no be ho ani say enkrofobia pie free block factory or motophobia agina into no feel say according to no feel say time na motophone no etata na no odi speed na bia no abọ careless on baby into no na motophone no we no epese omo draw na attention to that into ogina ya pe no bie car no mo so on the con no mo start say omo chinchim ne con and then on your mo no also no initially no feel so mo pe omo ya kronfo na skada ne passenger seat so any ni phones into ogina ya say e bia say omo ya kronfo dey omo fanko but omo so on the con no mo chim ne con no hu say no enye omo amba
krono bokra.
And then later no the who yan say back yi jackknife and na back ka say make we spoil him face
yen say nanim
yen say nanim na show na back nam ne mama so and then almost start to so no the left no e block to almost to another the left na block and then na ma sika ne bia
na nam sa ne na je say nanim na nka omo target no mo ya no the sa na
block na Emma Max na eba ne nsa ho saa no nti o se dru baby no na fe na ne ni su chin no tumu se moja na etunu no na nti omo hwie diesel ego no so ana ba ko ka se make we burn am nti o te se make we burn am no saa time no nya na eja ne si so
ka ne eja ne si
so nti no ahwa no o tia so nti o se ba ko de ne nsa bo ne side mirror no kra no nti but no bo side mirror no timi ko nanim kakra no ko parke wo sa shop nanim no see from na okọ shop no catch up say omo friend and wife number man until this was on only account until e ba no say the police for no year say ene yenko obetimi leading into crime scene ho no so akọ reconstructing until operation so yedru ho na ne side mirror no mo boy na cover no eda for mo
ten until next we e feel ho narration de ma police for no
until na say
police for no mu nyina esan ko crime scene ho ankasa.
You drew on the first thing I hear na side mirror no block factory view or side mirror no da form more and a police for no e twa ho pictures near there omugigi information ne free no ho near there na hu say ne condition no I started deteriorating. I feel he was growing weak. And he quickly and I was say sign ration and then call another health facility.
Okay.
And no police want to crack kan ye ho am I nyina ye koe and yako ehwe omo yede no ko ho sisi aminu ka sei eho no wo omo hwe no anapei mafre ebisa senior no hotie he's in pain pa but ye bompa ye say so otinkwam de nyankopon behwe na no ho atumi atone entem. Wow. Say they
yes, they went for the body and not for any other thing.
On one kata some bizarre no say or suspect one or two a year. No can say he's received threats some okay say one day because can show no so say he feels his life is at risk. Ama wa report to ama police headquarters near there but who na mo bia o mu tu ho near there. Or see we receive threats pen ama ya catch and say man on be make sure say man internet TV so and obi so catch and say they will make life miserable for him ni nyina so no so audio recordings ni other abia until police for no hwe na omaje and no the deputy director general from police in charge of CID
okay
ono so can officers na mobile if you have take particulars near there and then the district commander for I think Agboba.
Okay.
Ono so about police in 24 bar aso asem no mu a ye hwe se obi bia ne nsa wom anase no homom no o mehwe na mra no eni ni bedi kwamna.
Nature say cut pen knife wounds near there one nsa ho ni nanim ni ade no. Esan so de bibi ahete no.
Yeah.
Eye nani ase is it the only place I did be a hit and I be a body wise
a hona
who say a show
a paper ultimate say Senka don't pay no cranya and KPA who say I didn't aswa yeah and run another
video need because that time na you MP I just had the chin and run
and run Sunday next
and rapper de me Kofi pa ni pin and no woman missing. Wow. And Robia will be Kofi. Yes, I didn't call the second facility in the crown. Puno say, ye didn't call Kamna. No, you can't do this to your human being, your fellow human being.
As I see, I ever seen a quick.
Short for our Ghana High and Kabumku. Ghana Journalists Association GJA anope omo de krata ababontene wo hwe Facebook no so a edaso TV ni so de obehu dada say bosso news release Ghana Journalists Association se mekan headline no osi GJA condemns attack on Kofi Adoma Nwanwani consoles Bernard Koku Avle. Ukomwa ose August 7, 2022 GJA, the Ghana Journalists Association condemns reported attack on Kofi Adoma Nwanwani by unknown assailants that nearly caused the death of the Director of News of Accra-based Angel Broadcasting Network, ABN. The incident is reported to have occurred on Saturday, August 6, 2022, when the unknown assailant riding on a motorbike attacked him with sharp objects and tried to set him ablaze whilst the broadcast journalist was returning from Kuntunse to Accra. The GJA National Executive, attending a 3-day retreat at Obosomase near Eburi in the Eastern region, received the news of the attack with utter shock. We find the attack heinous and dastardly and call on the Ghana Police Service to launch immediate investigations into the attack. We also urge the general public to support the police in their investigations to bring the perpetrators to face the law. The GJA wishes Kofi Adoma Nwanwani a speedy recovery. And a twaso dia na se ne ye nua Bernard Avle Koku Avle onu se general manager ewo CTFM and City TV onu so ne ire akaba bi na omo so omo de nkai no e de chichire ne re say association no eta na chi e ma na shedin stronko wo emra edin say emu onu Bernard Avle ahwe eye ne yire na Kofi Adoma de ko onu ne nkwa ananka wo hwere. Jerry, association calling on the Ghana Police Service to initiate investigations immediately. And so far, with the response of the police, what do you make of the response of the police?
Enra incident. The ultimate say the response was swift. Everybody was calling. Obia oha na yesi penyi we afre. So oba oha na afre say. I just say estimation bra no so MBT key details near there, and response on and there it was you could tell say it was swift. But my concern near time and I think Okawa has said in life at risk no. I check.
Yeah.
I check ama or they be about but can say trails but I think 31st night crowd can say
okay similar
upon yeah no crowd for be dinichi ama edru be crowd called Juna police station motorcade okoje dispatch. Kofi, and this has been consistent. Until me nim the entire and neno answer enya this kind of ebi anomu ye bibi underground na own nim, but mu ye bibi I think he should be aware. No nyasa assurance ne say exactly or some form of protection. You know,
because there near ma maybe sa side we EDP no early signs.
Yeah.
Any warnings, any indications on Unyae. He didn't keep those things to himself.
No.
He reported them officially to the Ghana Police Service. anya baako anya mienu anya miensa. What I say, and to say police BBA, we hope they are doing something. They must make him aware. So we are doing this, we are doing that, we are doing that. In case he say one so, will be before for say be a one cry, a hand out, a now year juma, into a bow about one cry. Name of so to Kofi and crime. And now queer program will be any idea there. Inform us. And now ye way, maybe more one officer be one number to be out to be ano. You have to let that officer be aware near there. Nothing of such happened.
Me because say Oko Tesanoa wa report case wa ho. Ono abo am say agbogba ho kra wa report bibi wa ho.
Okay.
Obisa no be police station be head office wa report case wa ho. Enti say
because me wa crime be once or twice. So we'll meet him be also a police headquarters, meet a police headquarters. I don't know whether it is linked to those things, and who meet no or console so there I also can't tell. But me wa Canada. So I call police or meeting or call police headquarters. Likewise you.
Offense
yes.
To the extent say otimi ba obetna TV so any radio so e ka say niam e kokoso na brabo mi no feel say ne nkwa da san mu. Nti say bibisa e koso a I think that nipa na de ne fa no ho no there should be some communication with him no who say okay say there me war confidence be say me protection assured but me per se me jump any gun since your police for assassin let's see how they how far they go.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa ede apostle anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda.